to another episode here with Rosie, your realtor. Today I have Maurice Leveille from HMS Capital Lending. Hi, Maurice.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. How are you today?
Really well, thank you.
Thank you. Yes, thanks for being on the show. I always appreciate getting our guest speakers and all the knowledge that you have for our audience. So thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. And
glad to be here.
Me too. Bright and early. So Maurice,
Yes.
tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Maurice Leveille. I've been in the mortgage business for the last 30 years. Gone through all the ups and downs of the business, through all the crazy markets that we've had in these past 30 years. I also work with a partner. Her name is Christina. So we work as a team, and we call ourselves the MAC team, which that's something she came up with, which means Maurice and Christina team. So the MAC team, and that kind of stuck. And Christina's been in the business for about over 20 years as well. So she's got a lot of experience. She's Spanish speaking, so we work with a lot of Hispanic clients. My first language is French, so it doesn't help me as much as Spanish, but I do get French clients once in a while, so it's kind of interesting to see. So we've been in the business for a long time, and we enjoy the mortgage business because we like helping people purchase property, get into a property, and also people that own a property, we like helping them refinance and reduce their payments or get cash out so they can make improvements on their property, especially with the values going up. This is a good time to do it.
Yeah, that's for sure. We've definitely seen increase. Well, very good.
Yes.
So Maurice, tell me why your firm is so different than all the rest that we're dealing with. What's so special about you guys?
What makes our company HMS Capital, HMS Capital is a direct lender. We're located in Westlake Village, our corporate office. And as a direct lender, we control the process from the application to funding. But what makes us different than most other lenders is that HMS Capital does not charge any lender fees. And that's very uncommon because most lenders do. Now, what are lender fees? Lender fees are going to be underwriting fee, processing fee, credit fee, funding fee, administration fee, tax service fee, flood certification fees. All those fees can add up to $2,000 on a transaction, and we don't charge any of those fees. As a matter of fact, we also cover the cost of the appraisal. If an appraisal is required on the transaction, we'll even cover the cost of the appraisal. And we can do that with no impact to our rates. So, which means that, a lot of our competition will say, oh, they're putting those fees into the rate, their rates are going to be higher. And that's not true. Our rates are extremely competitive. Matter of fact, we can go head to head with most other lenders and offer the same rate, sometimes even a better rate, and still not charge any lender fees or an appraisal fee. Our company is extremely competitive, and our company is more based on volume. We like to do a lot more transaction, and that's how we make our money. And we work on a smaller margin. We don't have to be as greedy. We don't have to make a lot of money on every transaction. Every lender can determine what their profit margin is going to be. We work on a lesser profit margin, but we do make it up in volume. And that's what makes us very different. As you can see by our sign, no lender fees, no appraisal fee, great rates.
Nice. And Lord knows with buying a house, there's so many fees. So I'm sure buyers or those even refinancing could use any break they can, wherever they can. So, well,
on a purchase transaction, this can save you about up to $2,500 in closing costs. That's a lot, especially if you're a first-time home buyer or you have limited funds and you barely saved up your money for your down payment, and now you have to come up with all the escrow fee, title fee, and recording fees and everything else. Well, with us, you would save anywhere from $1,500 to $2,500 by not paying any lender fees and an appraisal fee. And on a refinance, it's even better because on a refinance, we control the escrow company and the title company. And usually our fees on a refinance are going to be a total of $1,400. And most other lenders will charge you anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500. So, and again, with a great rate. Just an example, I just looked this morning before this. On a conventional loan today, $500,000, we have a rate of 2.875 at 0 point, no lender fees, no appraisal fee. On our VA and FHA, we're 2.375. So our rates are extremely competitive without charging all these garbage fees.
Wow, that is very good. Very good. Because yes, that's, I'm not gonna lie, that's where my mind went is, oh, well, they must make it up on the interest, but so, and obviously not. So that's really good to hear because interest rates are really good and everyone wants to take advantage of those. I know we did.
Yes.
Well, very good. So Maurice, if somebody wanted to get a hold of you or Christina, how do they do that?
A good way is to, you can reach us. Here's our phone numbers on this, 805-432-6909. Or if you want to do it by email, you can just send an email to the MAC team. So the MAC, M-A-C team at hmscapital.com. And that goes to both of us. So this way, if one of us is busy on something, the other person can get back to you. That's a good thing with us. You get two for the price of one. So we work together as a team, and usually you can always reach one of us if you need something right away. And we work nights and we're available on weekends most of the time. So if you ever need information about everything, or you have questions about financing or what you could qualify for, we do no cost. We don't charge you anything for pre-approval. There's no cost or obligation. And usually within 24 hours, we'll get back to you and say, this is what you can qualify for. Go out and find a house.
Nice. Well, that's
Yes.
awesome, especially for those first-time buyers that, I mean, so many people are being pushed out of the rental market and they're, I'm so
Right.
hearing of so many people. It's like, we need a rental or we're buying, sooner than we wanted to because they're selling our home and we can't find a rental. So that, is very helpful,
Yes.
especially for those first-time buyers.
Yeah, we like working with first-time home buyers. I mean, we walk them through the process that they understand. And also, probably 15% plus of our business is VA loans, purchase and refis. But we do a lot of VA purchase transaction. We have great VA rates. We understand the process. We do a lot of them. And any veterans, I mean, you can buy a house with a VA 800,000 with no down payment and still get a great rate. And you don't have to pay PMI on a VA loan. So if for any veterans out there that are looking to either refinance or purchase, contact us because we're extremely competitive on VA loans and we love doing VA loans.
Nice. Very cool. Well, awesome. Well, Maurice, thank you so much for your time. We certainly definitely appreciate it and hope our viewers are getting value out of this and calling you to save some money. So thank you so much and hope you have a great weekend.
All right. Thank you for the invite. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.